Hello everyone, and so we are here at CES 2026 at the MicroEJ booth, and today I'm with Grant Goris, who is the CEO of Boon Logic. So Grant, I'm very happy to have you at our booth today.
Yeah, thank you for having us, Semir.
Yeah, very good. And so I have a few questions for you and for your audience. Can you introduce Boon Logic and PicoAI?
Certainly. So Boon Logic is a software company. We're based in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Our specialty is in the unsupervised machine learning space. And so what that means is we allow the data to speak for itself, and we train models based on the underlying data in an environment. The cool thing that we do is we can do it all at the edge. So that's part of the reason we're excited about our work with MicroEJ. The training and the inferencing can take place without cloud connectivity, and we don't need a GPU, which makes us unique. The core algorithm that we've developed in-house is called Nano, and we've created a specially small formatted version of that called Pico for the work that we're doing with MicroEJ. We're really excited about it.
So why did you choose MicroEJ to launch PicoAI?
There's a couple different things. For us, having a proprietary technology, security is paramount. And so as we think about deploying this in edge environments where it's outside of our control, where maybe in the cloud we'd have more control over who gets it and where, when we go to the edge, it's really important that we know that the code that we have is secure. And so with the expertise that MicroEJ has, both historically and now in the MicroEJ V platform, we gain that security component. The second thing that's also really important for us is that we can deploy everything fully at the edge. So there's a lot of AI companies that say we're edge-based AI or AI at the edge. And what that means is most often they can train in the cloud and push those models to the edge for inference. A lot of our customers find that it's important to train at the site of data generation, and you often don't have the compute capabilities at the edge that you do in the cloud. So not only is our technology capable, but the fact that MicroEJ can be fully deployed at the edge makes it a really nice partnership for these environments we're talking about.
So so I understand now, so the way you do the AI at the edge is really a kind of a differentiation for you. So what are really the things that makes your solution so different than other AI approaches?
Certainly, that's great. I think the first thing is that we're operating in unsupervised machine learning. Most of the time when people are deploying at the edge, they're doing inference based on classifiers, right? And that's a neural network-based approach where you have to know all the things that you're looking for, train models for each of those kind of categories or classes, and now you have a static model that you can look for things that are like that in the future. But when it comes to things that are unknown, you're kind of left wanting, right? You don't have the ability to rapidly retrain at the edge for that new thing. Our approach is different in that we train for what's normal in a given environment. And so model transferability doesn't really become an issue for us because we're training specific to each deployment. And so we can do that all on these microprocessors at the edge. The cool thing then from that is we train for normal. And so once normal baseline's been established, we can identify outliers and anomalies, which is the first step in identifying there's an issue, right? You have to be alerted something's not right. The follow-on step, which is where most try to jump to, is can I specifically identify what that thing is? And so we provide a segue and a way to get to that end question of what is it that's out of alignment, without missing anything that you've never seen before.
Thank you very much, Grant, and this is it. And once again, it was Grant Goris, the CEO of Boon Logic at MicroEJ booth in Las Vegas at CES 2026.